My friends, how are you doing? There is an update on cats. The airdrop is now going to take place on the 3rd of October. So you've got 3 more days to farm cats points. Okay, so there is also another update, and this one is about connecting your wallet. I had made a video previously explaining how to connect your wallet, and in that video I showed you how to go to the Bybit platform and connect the ton deposit address instead of cats, because the cat's deposit address was not displaying. I think they have now fixed it. If you go to the Bybit platform, you would see the cat's deposit address. But you know what? Like I told you in that previous video, the addresses and the memos are the same thing. Okay, so I'm going to show you that now. So let's say you want to disconnect now. Okay, if you click on this disconnect button, it is going to get you disconnected. Okay, so after disconnecting, what you can do is to go to the airdrop section. Okay, you can click on change exchange. Okay, if you want to change it, but there's no point doing it because the addresses and the memo, as I said earlier, are the same. Okay, so click on exchange. Okay, I'm gonna use the Bybit platform again. I'm gonna click on discontinue, and that brings me here. Okay, so let's select Bybit again. Okay, click on continue. Okay, I'm sending here, click on that right there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, again, as we did in that previous video, get my Bybit UID, paste it here, and then after that I'm gonna paste my cat's deposit address and memo. So here on Bybit, go to this, click on that and copy your UID, come back here and paste it. Now back to Bybit, go to the deposit section, click on that, and then go to this right here, deposit crypto, and up here search for cats. Okay, and if you search for it, you're gonna have to type it here, cats, CATX. Okay, I've searched it before. It is gonna display, and just click on it and then click on turn. Okay, that's gonna bring you here. Okay, so what you're gonna have to do is to copy this address and then this memo. Okay, if you were doubting what I showed you in the previous video, you can compare this address and this memo. Okay, you would find out that they are the same. Okay, any token launching on the Ton blockchain would have the same address with the Ton deposit address, and the memo would also be the same. You can just go through the previous video and compare them. You will see that they are the same. Okay, but since we have a new information, if you want to do it using this new information, this is how to go about it. So copy this, come back here and paste it. Okay, and after that, let's go copy the memo. So back here, copy the memo and go back and paste it. So here now I'm pasting it, and it is time to click on the send button. Let's see what happens. You are eligible. Okay, so I've got my wallet now connected. I've chosen an exchange. So this is the process. Okay, don't forget the new date for the final snapshot is the 3rd of this month. So you've got 3 more days, okay, to farm more cat points. And let me show you something that most people actually do not know, something that can give you more cats in the following days to come. Okay, go to this right here, this avatar, click on that. Okay, once you click on that, okay, just click on upload. Okay, you're gonna see an upload button right here. I cannot do it now because I've done it before. I've got to wait for about 13 hours. Okay, so just download any random cat image, upload it here. If you've got an OG pass, that's gonna give you more points, more cat points. Okay, so this is it for this video. If you've got any questions, let's hear you in the comment section. This brings LBs, and the guy Ken signing off for now. Let's go.